Compact disc. You will learn. Student will be able to understand that the compact disc is used to store the work done on the computer. Compare the compact disc with their notebook. Identify different sizes of compact discs. Define CD drive as the place to put the compact disc in the system unit.
See, this is a compact disc that is circular in shape. The work you do on the computer can be stored on a compact disc. It is like a notebook of the system unit with which we can read and write on it. It stores a lot of numbers and words from the computer. Let's learn a few good habits.
Good habits. Do not try to open the CD drive when CD light is blinking. How to use a compact disc. To use a compact disc, you will have to put it in the machine called the CD drive. To write on a compact disc, you will have to use CD-R drive. CD drive is fixed in the system unit. You can see only the door of CD drive. CD drives are different for different discs. Copying files to a CD or DVD. The burn disk feature of Windows 7 works the same for both CDs and DVDs. You can burn files to either type of disk through the Explorer without any third-party software. Insert the disk. You will need a drive capable of writing to disk you wish to burn. For CDs, you will need a CD writer, and for DVDs, you will need a DVD writer. However, a DVD writer can write both CDs and DVDs. Get a blank disk and insert it into the drive. Choose which type of disk to burn. The autoplay window will appear and ask what you want to do with the blank disk. The Burn a Disk dialog box appears on the screen and asks which type of disk you wish to burn. The options are to burn a disk like a USB flash or one that works with a CD/DVD player, like a USB flash drive. The session will not be closed meaning you will be able to add and remove files from your disk after it is burned. Many modern computers will be able to work with a disk such as this. But older computers and many electronics such as stereos and DVD players might not be able to read it. works with a CD or DVD player. Once your files are burned to the disk, everything is finalized and no further changes will be made. This type of disk will work with the widest range of computers and electronics. Children, first you remember the points to take care of the compact discs. Hold the disc by its edge or center hole. Put the disc keeping the label side up. Keep the disc away from dust. Keep the disc away from liquids like water. Do not write or sketch on the compact disc. Don't keep compact disc near a heater or a magnet.